Hello Saigon, hello Ho Chi Minh, I'm back. Another hotel staycation adventure review awaits, so keep on watching. We are checking in here at Sky Gem Hotel Sora. First impression, aesthetically beautiful. Oh, thank you for the drink. Refreshing.
We will check in out on 16.
Yes.
And one room superior internal window.
Yes.
Go to the side, please.
Okay. Room 704.
Yes.
Wi-Fi, that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the check-out time at 12. Yeah.
Yes.
In the morning, breakfast from 6 to 9:30 a.m. and this hour voucher we give to you if you order into
20%. What time is your breakfast buffet?
It starts at 6 a.m. and finish at 9.
6 a.m. Is there a gym?
Swim on 8th floor.
8th floor.
Yes.
Swimming pool?
Sorry,
No swimming pool.
Yeah.
Just gym, 8th floor. Okay, thank you. Oh, wait, only one? Only one.
Sorry, we just have only main room key to open the door. And we give you the other chamber room key to keep the power in the room for electric.
Yes. Okay. So that merong power yung sa loob ng room.
Our restaurant over there near the lift.
May room key na raw sa loob. Okay, thank you. Chin chow. Come on. Let's go mga ka-fab. Let's check in. Sora Kitchen. Dito tayo, 704. 704. Taran! Oh, it's naka-on na. Maliit siya ha, for a superior room. Hello mga ka-fab! Welcome back again to my channel. Another hotel staycation adventure review vlog. I'm excited on what will be my experience in this hotel. Ang ganda pala, pagpasok pala natin kanina, very aesthetically pleasing na siya. Ang ganda na sa mata. I hope it's more than what meets the eye. Kaya sana maganda yung service, yung amenities. We'll discover all of that and the food itself. And nako, wala pa tayong pahinga. Ang aga natin nagising to, you know, to catch our flight from Hanoi here in Ho Chi Minh. That was like supposedly dapat 8 o'clock. Kaso na-delay. Nakaalis na tayo mga 11:25. Na-miss na natin ibang nating appointments. But then, as also what I've always been saying sa mga friends ko and to my colleagues, there are really things that are really beyond our control. We just have to let go and let go and let God, let live, and just accept it and move on. And I'm sure everything happens for a reason. So, dami kong satsat. Again, if you're not still subscribed to my channel, sana naman you click the subscribe button so that you're part of my hotel staycation adventures all over the world here at UR Personified. Para na, mabilis na lang to. Ewan ko nga kung medyo maliit siya for superior room. Okay na yun. Kasi room tour na tayo.
Much later.
Yun nga mga ka-fab, lumabas na tayo at lahat-lahat. Pupunta tayo sa mega market nila. It's parang Costco nila here or SNR nila dito sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Namili lang tayo for our clients here in Ho Chi Minh kasi nga mag-Chinese New Year. Ano siya na vlog? Ay, hirap. But then, tuloy lang para sa ekonomiya. Yun po yung nature of job natin. And hindi na tayo pa tour, pa social. It's all about hard work, dedication, pagod, puyat, and of course, with commitment para sa mga pamilya natin. Kaya for now, pahinga muna ako. Let's call it a night. See you tomorrow, mga ka-fab! Anong let's call it a night? Hindi pa tayo pagod. Itodo na natin to. Let's go out kasi actually makakapag time already to be in this area. And a couple months ago, nagstay na tayo dito sa isang hotel na katabi nitong hotel natin, pa-stayan natin. So hopefully ma-upload na natin yung vlog na yan. And of course, mauna muna yan bago to. Alam niyo naman nangyari sa buhay natin. I just lost my dad 3 months ago. And but I'm really trying my best na continue tong vlogging na to because kahit wala naman tayong kinikita dito, it's just my passion lang and to document things that happened to me, my experiences that hopefully ma-share ko din sa inyo. Ayan siya oh, The White Hotel. Yan, soon. Yun na yung next vlog natin. Kaya nakita ko tong Sky Gem Sora and ayan. So ito na, of course, after that, ito na sunod. Tara, lakad-lakad muna tayo mga ka-fab. I love this area kasi very convenient siya. Malapit siya sa malls. Actually, sa lahat malapit siya eh. So, yun. Ayan. So, pupunta natin yung may H&M kasi dito and Muji. Tingin-tingin lang tayo mga ka-fab. Hindi tayo impulsive buying knowing that life is very difficult nowadays. Therapy lang natin yung mag-window shopping tayo to distress. Okay na ako doon, masaya na ako doon. Kaya, mamaya ulit na, baka masagasaan tayo. See you later! Pakita ko lang mga ka-fab, that's Muji. And of course, that's Zara. Ito lang yung naman pinupuntahan natin. And window shopping lang, wala tayong budget. Tara, masyal pa tayo.
The following day.
Good morning mga ka-fab. Maaga tayong nagising. Nagpa-wake up call tayo around 6 AM pero a few minutes early tayo na nagising na tayo sa bed natin and start getting ready kasi in a few minutes we have our early flight back to Manila. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog these past few days. I've been very sick. I have stomach bug flu infection. I don't know what's the reason behind that, but according to my Vietnamese friend, good job, Sky Gem Hotel Fora. Hello, good morning. Okay, thank you. Mga ka-fab, look at that. We're watching our own vlog sa TV na to kasi meron siyang Netflix and YouTube. Very cool. Tara, akyat muna tayo sa pool area nila. Well, sauna area and gym area. That's on the 8th floor. We're still feeling weak. Ilang araw din tayo na sumasakit yung tiyan dito. Ang hirap when you're sick and you're abroad. And kailangan mo pang i-fulfill yung mga commitments mo. You have no choice but just have to forget about the pain and deliver all the commitments that you've made. Just to be sure na Bukas na pala yung gym area nila. So this is how it looks like. Maliit lang siya, no? Ito yung gym area nila. Buksan natin konti. Oh, pa-outward. Oh. Ayaw. Slide mo to. Ewan ko. Sa ayaw, basta yun ang gym. Nakikita nyo naman yan, di ba? Treadmill. And ito yung parang, ano ba? Ano ba to? Jacuzzi, open for. Pero unfortunately, inaayos yata nila. Sira. Look at that. Sayang, di na natin to na-avail. Sana naman next time when I visit this place, if I'll come back here, stay in this hotel. Sana fix na yung jacuzzi nyo, ha. Of course, makikita mo na yung view. Kasi parang ito palang rooftop. Ayan, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Saigon in the morning. 6:30 when everything's still quiet. There's not much people. The sun about to rise. Tinatakpan na siya ng building. Ayan. So, tara na mga ka-fab. Let's check their breakfast buffet options downstairs. Walang ganda dito, hindi chine-check ha. Kasi they recognize siguro sa mukha nila. Hindi lang kinukuha yung room number mo or something. Or maka-familiarize na rin sila sa mga guests. Ay, sorry. Ground floor pala talaga dapat. Okay. It's not first floor. Dito tayo upo mga ka-fab. Yan, konti lang. Thank you. Ayan, ako muna tayo ng sunny side up na itlog. Let's eat. Goodbye room. Goodbye Skygem Hotel Fora. So hindi lumampasin ng 32 kilos kasi we need to put it in a separate bag. Yun lang kasi allowed maximum weight ng isang bag kasi for an international flight for Philippine Airlines. Tara, punta na tayo sa receptionist para ma-check out. Oops. May papaway muna natin ito mga ka-fab kung gaano kabigat. So, chine-check na. Binigay ko na yung room key sa kanya. Check natin kung ilang kilo. Oh my God. Sorry. Konti na lang. Tawasan ko na lang. Okay. And hopefully we'll see my vlog. YouTube. My stay here. Nag-cancel kasi yung unang Grab. So nag-rebook tayo ulit. Yes, correct. Yeah. Alright, bye. Skygem Hotel Sora for now. Tinulungan talaga nila ako. Makakaabot pa naman tayo. Let's go. See you next time. Let's catch our flight back to Manila. And of course, mga ka-fab, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, baka naman, please please click the hit subscribe button so that you're part of my hotel staycation adventures anywhere in the world. As always, don't forget to embrace your